Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, you will be learning how to set up a sales funnel for free with System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help entrepreneurs, small businesses, and online marketers build and manage their online businesses. It offers a suite of tools that streamline various aspects of digital marketing and business operations. Now, to set up a sales funnel, first go to your browser and go to System.io. Then here, as you can see, you can get a free account. Just click on Get My Free Account. Then just enter your email here and click on Get My Free Account again. After that, go to your email and click on the confirmation link that they send. Next, you just have to create a password here. Then just answer this CAPTCHA verification. Now that you have an account, you may now start creating your sales funnel. Just click on Funnels here. Then click on Create. Then you will have 4 different options. You can create a funnel to build an audience, sell a product or service, custom if you have an experience creating a funnel or web page before, and here you want to start from scratch. You can also make a sales funnel to run a webinar. So for example, we want to sell a product, so let's click on Sell here. Let's say we want to sell an ebook. Let's just put the title of the book here. Then you can also customize your funnel domain. After that, just choose a currency, then click on Save. After that, to edit your page, just click on the name here. As you can see, by default, you will have 2 steps ready here, the order form and thank you page. For the inactive page, it will just be displayed if your funnel is disabled. Then if you want to add another step, just click on Add Step here. For example, we want to have a sales page for our funnel, so let's just put sales page as the name here. Then for the type, just click on sales page as well, and then save. Then we can even drag this if we want this to appear first. As you can see, we have different templates to choose from. Once you have chosen one, just click on select. So here you can edit the URL path. Then click on edit page. Then these elements can be customized according to your liking. You can even add more elements if you want. You just have to explore these options on the left panel and add a little bit of your creativity here. Anyway, this is very user-friendly. Then you can also see the preview before saving changes. And that's basically how you can start creating your sales funnel. Further details may be discussed in our upcoming video, so tune in to our channel. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.